Hey friends, are you looking for some easy to install, great quality blinds for your house? Well, definitely check out these roller shades from Blindwinds. I think I said that correctly. I was gifted these in exchange for my honest personal review, and I installed them within like a minute. They're so easy to install and so easy to use. I absolutely love it. They are 100% light blocking. These are the black option. You just roll them down with your finger using this little plastic knob, and then to roll them up, you just pull them down a little farther, and then just kind of push it up with your finger just like this. Super easy to use, super easy to install. They can customize to just about any window that you have, I believe. They do have power options available. These are just the regular standard non-motorized blinds, but I absolutely love them. They filter the light so well. Obviously, you can't see any light behind there. These are awesome. I 100% recommend these for any DIYer. If you are a little scared to install some blinds, don't be afraid. This is super easy, and I'm not a handy dandy kind of person. After receiving the product, I took it out of the box and then I proceeded to take off all of the protective foam and the plastic. Definitely don't take off that paper in the middle. That is where the shade will come down. It's the very last step. All of the mounting hardware is included. It does come with drywall, anchors, and screws. If you are screwing into drywall, you definitely need to use those anchors, but here I am installing straight into the window frame, which is completely wooden, so it went right in and it's holding very nicely. After putting those both on, you proceed to go ahead and put your blinds onto it. It's a very nice, easy bracket, very simple and easy to use. It also has a little plastic tab that will let you pull down the window shade easily. Honestly, I'm so impressed with these shades. They're so easy to install, so easy to use, and I love the fact that they are hidden out of sight when they're not in use. These are so beautiful and easy and aesthetically pleasing. Definitely check these out.